Okay, boys.
Stand up.
Everybody come here. So, oh, stand right there. Stand up. Okay, so Daddy put coins in 2 of the candy machines over there. Okay? So only 2 of them. We only had enough for 2. So we're gonna go over there, and you gotta be ready to catch the candy when it comes out, because Daddy already spun it. So when you open it, candy's gonna come out. Patrick, leave that alone. No, Patrick, stop that. Leave that alone. So we're gonna share the candy. Nope. Nope. Candy in here. So when we get the candy, we're gonna bring it back over here. We're gonna split it, okay? So come on, let's go over and get the candy. Come on, Patrick. Okay, be ready to catch it when you open it up. You gotta be ready to catch the candy. Oh, what did you find, Kyle? Did you find some doggy bones? All right, let's get the candy. Oh, pick up the candy. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Let's gather all the candy here. Daddy can help you. Uh-oh, what'd you find, Andrew? Did you find some? Uh-oh, it all fell on the ground. Pick them up. Pick them all up. We're gonna take them over to Mom. Pick them all up. There's still a couple more on the ground. Behind you. Right there. That's everything. All right, let's take it to Mom. We'll split it all. Come on, Patrick. Are you enjoying your candy, Patrick? Yum, yum, yum. Is it good, Aunt Kyle? Is it good? Patrick, Andrew, do you like your candy? I will take that as a yes.